Today I'm going to show you how to do the triple crochet. Just quite an easy stitch and one of the beginner stitches that you will want to learn as you are first starting out in crochet. To start this stitch, you're going to chain any number. So I'm just going to do 10 for this example. Okay, so I'm going to chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, to do the triple crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, just like that. Next, you're going to start in the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to insert your hook. Draw through, and there should be 4 loops on your hook. Next, you yarn over, draw through 2, should be 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, and that's how you make a triple crochet. Okay, let's do that again. I'm going to take that. Okay, so chain any number, yarn over 2, start in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through. There's 4 loops on the hook. Next, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and draw through those last 2 loops. There's a triple crochet. You can see how tall it is. It's the tallest crochet stitch. Okay, let's do this again. Yarn over 2. We're going to be working in the next stitch right here. Insert hook, yarn over, pull back through 1, yarn over, pull back through 2. Now there's 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull back through 2, yarn over, pull back through those last 2. You created 2. Let's try it again. Okay, insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just 3. Let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through 1, and you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. See how easy it is? Okay, let's work our last triple crochet in the last stitch here. So yarn over 2, insert hook, yarn over, pull back through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, you can see the row of triple crochets we have made. Now to start the next row, you're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's turn our work. To begin, yarn over 2, just like we did before. We'll be working into the first stitch. So this is the top of the last triple crochet we did. So don't work into these chains. Okay. So insert your hook through both loops. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. You created another triple crochet. Now work the triple crochets across the entire row. I'm going to speed up just a bit. Just want to show you what it looks like with the second row completed. Okay. Completed our second row of triple crochets. I'm going to link up the hook I used. I used a 5.5 clover hook and the yarn I used, which was Mandela Ombre by Lion Brand. I'll link both up if you're interested in trying these out. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.